Bouquin. I'm a physician in Los Alamos, chairman of the Northern New Mexico Health Grant Group, and I sit on the Board of Trustees for Nnmhgg Health Foundation. I'm here to introduce the Northern New Mexico Health Grant Group and to recognize some of the very important work that's been done by Los Alamos Medical Center, the grantees, the auxiliary, and the communities that have been traditionally served by Los Alamos Medical Center. The first thing I'd like to do is recognize the people who organized the effort to establish the fund that developed into the Northern New Mexico Health Grant Group. It was started as an idea to preserve the charitable trust that had been built up over the years by the community members that supported the hospital, to keep the money in the community so that it would then be available to groups that are served by this community. Community members whose foresight and initiative created the energy behind and the work towards the fund that created the Northern New Mexico Health Grant Group include Sid Singer, Marvel Harrison Kellogg, David Bouquin, Wendy Marquez, and myself. That was done through an aggressive petition campaign, appeals to our elected representatives, and diligent research that was done on the history of the hospital. In doing that, we were able to put together a proposal to the Attorney General of New Mexico that resulted in commitments by the new owner of Los Alamos Medical Center. Include, among other things, preservation of our emergency room functions and the fund that eventually grew into what is now the Northern New Mexico Health Grant Group. In the years since that time, we have distributed $2 million to very worthy organizations that have been working in our communities to provide services. The committee that was developed to distribute those funds represents the auxiliary of Los Alamos Medical Center and the Nnmhgg Health Foundation. The current members of the Northern New Mexico Health Grant Group include Steve Wells, Dr. Michael Jackson, Dr. Kathleen Maley, Jose Gutierrez, myself, Jean McClary, and Dolores Roybal. Together we represent members from Los Alamos and those communities that have been traditionally served by Los Alamos Medical Center. Motivation for all of us is the future and integrity of healthcare in our community.